POTS, EDS, epilepsy, cancer, breast cancer, liver disease, Down syndrome, combined civility, brain bleed, cancer leukemia, Sanfilippo syndrome, asthma, endometriosis, Tourette's, Lennox-Gastaut, Sarah Posse, Strong, autism, ADHD, dystrophy, dissociative identity disorder, neurological disorders, Parkinson's, allergic to bees, aphasia, allergic to penicillin, speech impediment, large diffuse cell lymphoma, polycystic ovaries PCO, arthritis, osteopenia, deafness, depression, Kabuki syndrome, short people, learning disability, panic disorder, encephalopathy, OCD, heterochromia, vitiligo, mental health, scoliosis, stuttering, multiple sclerosis, diabetes, blind and colorblind, allergies, brain injury, Asperger's, Factor 7, complex regional pain syndrome, CRPS-FND, rhabdomyolysis, Sarah Posse, head and neck cancer, allergic to cold, misophonia, anxiety. If you guys watch until the end, thank you so much. And if you guys love my awareness stuffed animals, please follow and like and share. And if I'm forgetting any conditions or disability, please comment down in this video. It will mean a lot to me to learn some new conditions and disabilities.